What's up, party people? We're here at Arches National Park. We just had to buy a timed entry ticket because apparently that's a thing that you have to do now, even if you have the annual pass. And we were lucky enough that one for today in just about 2 minutes popped up at the last second. And oh my God, that is so much stress off me. I thought we were gonna have to go back home and call it a day, tail between our legs type of thing, but nope. Arches is one of my favorite national parks. I've been here once before and I love it. So happy to be back. What do you think so far?
I think it's freaking awesome. Oh my God.
Isn't this place cool? And we haven't even gotten to the real Arches yet. Going up in double arch. Well, so that was the windows, arches, and double arch, and turret arch, or something like that?
Turret arch?
Turret! And now we're going to the Devil's Garden area, I believe, because I think that's where all the huge, awesome, wonderful trails are. I know that there's some really long trails out here that are super cool, so we're gonna try to find those next. So this is the Delicate Arch Trail. And here you can see a little desert house. Here's the epic look inside.
Wow.
Actually shows up really nice on camera.
Yeah.
Good job, GoPro. Wow. A whole table.
Could you imagine?
And of course we got a peek in the mine, the outhouse, the whatever this is. Must just be a little shed or outhouse thing. A little poopy pit. Some petroglyphs for you. And a little cabin. Not quite as cool as the secret one at Joshua Tree, but still cool to see. So you can kind of see the destination is all the way up there on that little plateau. This trail's pretty cool. Got a lot of elements, lots of different scenery. Last time I was here, this trail was closed, so I'm really excited that we get to do it this time. Oh baby, here we go. Some steps carved into the stone. Pretty wicked. Here we go. There's Delicate Arch.
That's incredible.
That's what's on all the license plates out here in Utah. Who would have thought going down is way easier? More hiking soon, but first a lunch of sardines because I don't have much other lunch stuff. Devil's Garden Trail. Not doing the whole thing, but just a few.
Oh crap, I forgot sunscreen.
Oh yeah, do you want to get it? All right. After we get sunscreen, Devil's Garden Trails. I remember this from the first time I came here, and I wanted to take a picture here, and I did. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. Probably, maybe. Cool sand canyon. I love that thing. Hopefully this camera turned on fast enough to get that. Here we've got a great view of Tunnel Arch. You probably see that smaller one up there too. Pretty sweet. I like these Devil's Garden trails because they're way more quiet, way less busy. So if you guys want some quieter trails, head up all the way in the back to Devil's Garden Trails. Landscape arch.
Different amount.
Ooh, secret hidden path right near Landscape Arch. Oh boy. It actually feels so good to be in the shade. This trail is cool.
That's freaking awesome.
I didn't even know it existed. This trail is so pretty.
It's amazing. I'm glad we climbed that big old stinking rock.
Me too. If you take the Landscape Arch Trail, keep going back, you'll see a rock. There will probably be some people climbing on it, and then you know that's the right one. You climb that rock, and then boom, this trail. Maybe this is just the primitive trail for the Devil's Garden Loop. Probably. We're gonna hit up Partition and Navajo Arch because they're apparently right over here. This is the trail to the Navajo Arch, and it's,
Look at the rocks. That's really cool.
yeah, wind holes. Look at this one.
Thumbnail.
I got stuck at Arches National Park. Do it.
might need to go this way.
Navajo Arch. Pretty cool, pretty worth it. Here we go on to, oh God, almost trip and die arch. No, Partition Arch. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Check out this view. Partition Arch is right there, but we kept walking and came to this. Absolute beauty.
Wow.
All right, so that was Navajo and Partition Arches. Pretty cool. I'm glad we came up here and did that. But chipmunk.
Oh, he's so cute.
But I'm ready to go back. It's like, what time is it? Probably 3?
Yeah.
Just about. And we've been out here since 9.
Hi, little fella.
Dude, he's just going all over.
He's so cute. He's probably terrified now. Run, Lauren.
Just feel like I'm on Mars or Tatooine or something. Back to the truck, and I am feeling beat. Oh. Oh.
That's how I feel about it. Ow, my buns are burning.
Into Moab. Gassing her up in Moab. Had a successful grocery trip. Got some water, got some mac and cheese, which we've really been craving. And we got some tortilla wraps and that peanut butter jelly goober stuff to make some peanut butter and jelly wraps for lunch. So good, solid. Back to camp. Only 15 minutes away. Not bad. Nothing feels better than rolling back to camp where you know there's plenty of spots after a full day of hiking with a full tank of gas with some fresh food. Feels really good. Does not get better than that while you're truck camping. Wow, there's a big band from the sun. Here's the spot for the night. I'm very happy with it. Our nearest neighbor is over there, sort of over a hill. We got a nice, huge, giant fire ring. And if we want to do some cross-country hiking, like, we totally can. And this is only 15 minutes away from Arches National Park and about half an hour from Canyonlands National Park. This is Klondike Bluffs BLM land. If you're interested, just want to take a little walk over here and look at this view over this ridge. So we've walked over that ridge, came down here. Now we've stumbled upon a wash. Up there is another road. It's just so fun exploring the BLM lands. I love cross-country hiking in them. So much fun. Almost like building your own trail. And I know I've said this in other videos, but it really just feels like an open world video game. Like, you just see something cool, you go for it. I found some cool Native American ruins and stuff before, so it's just really awesome going for it, and it's beautiful out here. We could do that. Sure, let's go up the hill.
Even though we've seen enough hill today.
This is part of the road that we stumbled upon. Roads are just so pretty. Like, look at that. That just adds to the landscape, I think.
I think so too. It's beautiful. Ooh.
Bush lights hitting hard today. Johnson.
My buddy.
Tonight, we eat mac and cheese, boys. This was 59 cents at the grocery store in Moab, and we have been craving it so bad.
Microdose GLP-1s.
We got a big pot of macins with some meat in it, and we got a beautiful, beautiful sunset in its waning phases. Absolutely gorgeous. And so, by the light of this fire and the smoke, thank you for watching my Arches National Park video, and I hope you stay tuned for similar videos when we're hitting up all these awesome national parks here in Utah. Go out and hike. Just do it. There's smoke in my eye, but I'll see you guys very soon. Goodbye.